What's your name?
My name is Ashfaq Ahmed Shuvo.
What class are you in?
I'm in class 7.
Which school do you go to?
I go to Udan Uच्च Madhyamik Vidyalaya.
What are you going to present now?
Now I'm going to present the 25 structures to turn affirmative sentences into negative.
For completing all the structural sides, how long time will you need?
I think around 2 minutes.
Okay, can you?
I'll try.
Okay, I'm starting stopwatch. So let's get started.
Also word, only not opposite word. Main verb word, don't doesn't be one opposite word. Always word, never opposite word. Sometimes more or less opposite word. Very word, not opposite word at all. All word, no opposite word. By word without opposite word. Forever or for good, plus word. Will have a plus opposite word plus again. Only or married, none but nothing but not more or less than. Must, have to, has to, had to. Cannot but plus B1, cannot have plus B and G. As soon as, no sooner had then. Should do so that subject can couldn't plus B1. Both and both and besides. Not only but also. As is or so as. Not less than, not so as. For the last time, never again plus will plus SB dot question mark. A few, not many, a little, not much. A little, not many, not much. A few, not many. Almost, there's hardly dotted, who dotted. Every noun, verb, there's no noun but. Every noun, have as had, there's no noun without. Subject, verb, the D3, etc. No other, etc. Verb, as D1, as subject. Subject, verb, D2 then, etc. etc. Verb not, as D1 as subject. Universal truth, oxy plus not plus SB dotted question mark.
Okay. Shuvo has covered all of the structural side of affirmative into negative in only 1 minute and 48 seconds. It's a big apple. Please give a big hand.